The UAW and General Motors reach a tentative agreement. 0% financing takes a plunge, and Volkswagen plans job cuts. Good morning, I'm Tiara Riddick and welcome to First Shift. More on those stories in a moment, but first, the tentative agreement between Ford and the UAW calls for an investment of more than $8 billion in various manufacturing initiatives. A big portion of this investment is earmarked for Louisville, Kentucky, where Ford will establish assembly operations for a new electric vehicle. The deal extends its influence over Ford's electric vehicle endeavors, including the EV battery plant located in Marshall, Michigan, and a large-scale EV campus currently under construction in Tennessee. General Motors and the UAW have also reached a tentative agreement after more than 6 weeks of strikes. While this agreement could be seen as a step in the right direction, it's important to note that the deal is still subject to ratification by General Motors' large UAW workforce, totaling around 46,000 members. This development comes after the union reached agreements with Ford and Stellantis. For the latest union coverage, stick with Autonews.com. 0% financing deals have now become a rarity. The third quarter of 2023 saw just 1.1% of all loans financed at 0%. This marks a sharp decline from the peak observed in the second quarter of 2020 when 24.2% of loans were offered at 0% financing. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, the average quarterly rate for 0% financing over the 3 years leading up to it was 7.1%. 0% financing deals were once a go-to strategy to entice car buyers, but these numbers tell us that the tides have certainly changed. Volkswagen is embarking on a restructuring plan for its software unit Cariad, with the aim of streamlining operations and potentially cutting costs. According to reports, this restructuring will involve slashing approximately 2,000 jobs over a 2-year period, from 2024 to the end of 2025. As a result, some of its software architecture projects are expected to face delays, such as its new 1.2 software architecture slated for use in upcoming models like the Audi Q6 e-tron and Porsche Macan all-electric vehicles is now expected to be delayed by 16 to 18 weeks. That story from Reuters. And finally, slower demand for electric vehicles has led General Motors and Ford to rethink their investment strategies. Both companies have decided to delay billions of dollars in planned investments. This is a result of a short-term decision as they reevaluate their immediate need for additional production capacity. Thanks for watching. For breaking news, stay with Autonews.com. Have a great day.